What?
Go, 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 go. Oh, he's laughing. You're doing it deliberately. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay.
No, I'm not going to do anything because it's all recording.
It's okay. He saw it, he saw it. Just get him go a little bit off. It's okay.
No, I'm not worried, Babu.
It's okay. It's okay. Just go ahead, we'll go from here. It's okay.
Babu, I'm not worried. I'm thinking about what to do next. Because we have a camera here.
Yeah.
So I'm going to cops first. And I'm going to send to that Chevron, traffic management, whatever.
I don't hear you.
And I'm going to post it on YouTube. Tony, how are you feeling? Good.
Oh my god.
The huh?
Really? Really?
What?
Oh my god.
There was nobody there.
Oh my god. Dave, really?
Relax. People are crossing. They're trying to get to the game.
I didn't
Okay,
see
the crosswalk is blocked off. I don't have officers out here yet. Just relax. Have you ever pulled out in front of somebody?
I understand.
Yes,
It's
you
a
have.
reaction also to hit the horn when someone pulls out in front of you.
Just relax. Just relax. Okay? Thank you. You're welcome.
You have a good day now.
Oh my god. What a dick.
Ready?
What, baby?
Daddy.
What, baby?
What a